So my roommate's estranged alcohol-loving uncle died, and this was his cook bag of recipes. I've written down every chapter on this wheel. I'm gonna make one. I'm David Zarko, and this is Dead Greg's Recipes. Chinese Japan. This is the Chinese Japan bag. And we are making Thai beef noodle salad. Thai beef noodle salad. Pause it if you like to look over it, and there's instructions on the back as well. And let's just jump into it. First is the dressing, which starts with 2 chili fresh, 1 teaspoon garlic, 2 tablespoons fish sauce, 5 tablespoons lime juice. And I just want to say, fish sauce smells so bad, and I don't recommend trying it on its own. 1 tablespoon brown sugar. That's it for the dressing. I shouldn't have cut the green onions yet, but you need 4 of them. 2 tablespoons of mint leaves. 1/4 cup cilantro. 1/2 cup of finely chopped peanuts. 1 cucumber sliced. Thank you for the mandolin, I love it. The recipe calls for a pint of cherry tomatoes, which is like, what? And he wants them skewered, so I skewered them. Okay, recipe calls for 1 pound steak, and you're supposed to grill the steak. I do not have a grill, however, I do have a cast iron. But I also have a very sensitive smoke alarm system. The goal is to get a couple minutes of each side at high heat and then finish it off in the oven with the tomatoes for a few minutes. He doesn't say to grill the tomatoes actually, but you know, why else would you skewer them?
David!
This is how it came out, and I cooked the tomatoes a bit longer to give it a bit more color. 8 ounces of noodles. I went with rice vermicelli. Brush onions with olive oil, and for the tomatoes, do the same. Thinly sliced steak. I left them too long, it's fine. And then finally toss together all. It's the steak, the tomatoes, green onion, mint leaves, cilantro, the dressing, cucumber, and lastly, the finely chopped peanuts. Then we just put on top of noodles and see what the roommate thinks. This is Thai beef noodle salad.
Damn.
Oh, that's Greg's.
Damn! Well, a lot of flavor.
Wow. Yeah, there's like so many things happening.
Yeah. Oh my god, dude, this is great.
I mean, I've never had anything like this.
Dude, how does he keep doing that? Crazy.
And then he'll come out with white trash trailer
Right,
park
right,
Casper,
right?
you know?
He's all over the place.
This is insane.
This is fantastic.
Don't leave your chopsticks in the food, man.
Oh, my bad.
3, 2, 1. 9-3. I went 8-8. Yeah, it's really good.
It's good.
It's so good.
God, I was like not expecting it. I feel like also it
I'm
caught me off guard.
Very happy that I get to keep eating
Like,
this.
right as I'm saying.
The cilantro, the mint, the peanuts. I mean,
I like digging around. Like
I'm having fun in here.
Yeah.
You know? Like it's an adventure every bite.
yeah.
I should change my score higher. It's a 9.
Definitely a 9, bro. Did you give something a 9.3 the other day? No, what was the highest you
The
gave?
grilled
Was it
cheese.
9.3?
But I was drunk. I just don't want to be
that's
I don't want to be tossing 9s around everywhere. This
You put it on a grilled cheese, and you won't
It
put
was
it on
that
this.
It was that
You
good.
were drunk.
Next time on Dead Greg's.